I guess I'll let you know whether or not I fucking fixed my cymbal or not, because I don't even know. I gotta hear it first. I gotta hear it first. Hear it first. Hear first. I wanted to film your reaction to it, but that's okay.
Film. Oh, to the cymbal.
To
there
the cymbal.
it is.
There it is.
Cymbal.
There's the fucking the monstrosity.
Good lighting in here too.
Yeah, great lighting.
Yeah. A lot of lighting options too. You can put that blanket over the window.
See, like dry sound, she's not bad.
It's not too.
It's just the sustain that's kind of shit. But right there, it wasn't that bad at all. Maybe it's the room.